Good morning for everyone. My name is Javier Caicedo, and now I'm going to show my tool for learning in environment Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. And let me show you this app, Wix. What is Wix? Wix is a platform for web development based on the cloud that was developed and popularized by the Wix company. And it's a good platform, and let me show you the characteristic of Wix. Wix offers one of the website building experience with more features on the internet. Any type of digital resource that require page to navigate with instruction as a digital learning object. It is possible to create any type of portal or web page to share resources, an educational page, a page for a course, even with the appropriate option and integration online assessment tool. It's possible to create a personal learning environment and even in the virtual class. Create any type of web stand inclusively for mobile device. Create a blog that can serve as a portfolio, pedagogical journal, news portal, and so forth. Advantage. Let's see what's advantage. One advantage is the free account option allows users to create and host beautiful websites at no cost. Wix offers your templates whose varied design can be easily adjusted to the budget of your business. You don't need to know how to code a program, design a personal website, because its interactive tool will make your work easier. Or they provide interesting drag and drop tool that will facilitate. Disadvantage. One of the disadvantages is too much design freedom, which can be overwhelming for some people. Clue on the number of options and change that Wix allows you to make when you personalize your website. There is no way to see site, static anchors. You pay hard to ability to add Google Analysis. You must be sure at the selection of your template. How will I use this tool for teaching? Okay. Wix is a tool that allows you to manage online content, such as link to YouTube video, link to exercise, and live presentation. That's becoming a fundamental tool to be implemented in virtual education. Wix is a directed tool for virtual education because it allows the teacher to propose in a more training way the material implement for a student and also involve a student in their learning process. Highlight to consider when implementing the Wix tool. Abundant complement improve the functionality of your site with third-party integration. In conclusion, Wix presents one of the best experience in the construction available website besides being easy to implement in the teaching and environment education, since you allow the teacher to create a inner training and striking side key and the student motivate and the teaching process learning works in an instructive to handle content. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Thank you so much.